Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Benlera tag. Find your everything in a 4-pack if you like. These are Smart Tag Pros. It's Suitcase trackers compatible with the Apple Wear F. The Apple iOS only devices here are key finder. For our keys, of course. For luggage. For a suitcase. For a wallet. They were IP67 waterproof, and it's a pack of 4. It's also on the market in black or in white, available in 2-pack, single or 4-pack. These smart tags are latest air trackers ensures that we never lose our valuable gains. This helps us to track and find our items effortlessly via the Find My app. The attached tags to the keys, wallet, backpack, luggage, and more. And we can find it nearby. Within a Bluetooth range of up to 164 feet that triggers the built-in speakers to locate our belongings via our phone. It's compatible with the Apple devices. It provides easy tracking via the Find My app, and is compatible with iOS 14.5 or above. It's not for Android devices. And we have a left reminder. They received a notification on our iPhone when the tracker is out of the Bluetooth range. We use the Find My app to view the current location of the tag on the map. Free app, no subscription fees. Because it works over the Find My network. That means if you have a tag somewhere and another iPhone user comes nearby, it will automatically track. And we have a lost mode. We activate the lost mode for our tracking tags. These fins are staffed with the help of hundreds of millions of Apple devices on the Find My network. Plus, we will automatically receive a notification when it's detected by an Apple device in the network. And guaranteed data security, because the network of the various app is encrypted and anonymous. And locations, data, and history are not stored on the Reyke Key Tracker, of course. After upgrading to iOS 17, we can find items in the various app. We share the app with up to 5 borrowers so they can see the locations of the item on the map too. Borrowers will not receive tracking notifications when the item moves with them, of course, because of the privacy. And it's IP67 waterproof and dust resistant. With the protection class of IP67, the tracker's tag can withstand immersive in the water up to 3 feet for 30 minutes. Perfect for outdoor activities and workshops. It safely handles splash, rain, and short submersions. And we can make a replacement battery. The Bluetooth trackers come with a replaceable battery that lasts up to 1 year, equipped with the key ring. This is an idiot gift for forgettable friends. These are Benlera tags. The size is 28 to 10 millimeter. The product weight is only 7 grams. The volume is 80 up to 100 decibel. The battery, which we can replace, is an CR2032. And of course, we easily can pair it. We turn on the device. We remove the battery installation sheet located at the bottom of the device. When pressed the power button once, the beep sound will be heard, and the device will be turned on. Then, of course, we open the Find My app on our Apple device and bring the tag close to the Apple iPhone. Then we can add the item. We go to other supported items, then it will display 13 item, and we should make sure that our device's Bluetooth is turned on. And when the Benlera tag's displayed, we tap Connect. We set the name and continue. We select the character of representing this product and tap Continue. To link this product with our Apple ID, we can agree that. Then we tap Finish to complete setup. And we will be able to confirm that the product is in the Find My network or in the app. We can also add this product to the Find My app on iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. The main features, of course, are finding the tag when nearby and playing a sound. For that, we open the Find My app and select the item tab. We select the product from the list and play the sound by tapping Play Sound. If we've found it, we tap Stop. We're checking the tag's location on the map when we are out of range. We open Find My app and select the items. We select the product from the list to display its location on the map. We can also see the timestamp to when there it was found. We set directions to get the direction via the Apple Maps for navigation to it. And we can use notify where found using my find lost. You can enable the lost mode to get information when it will be found anymore by an Apple device. And of course, that's all and more, because we can make a location finding, a location tracking. We can easily locate and track these Benlera tags. And of course, if we handle this with our luggage, for example, or we get this in a car or in a bicycle, and maybe these parts will be stolen from us, and the thief is going away, we can track it, and then we can hold it back and bring it back to our destiny. That's really cool, isn't it? I think such an tag here, which comes with the possibility of the Find My network, is a really good additional part for security if you lose something often, like everything. So that means I have a lot of that tags at home. All my keys get one of them. All my cars get one of them. All my bicycles and so on get one of them each. And I can track it and I can find it again. That's really cool. These are the Benlera tags. We can find our everything with that Benlera tags. And this is a 4-pack. And they are black in this case. You can also get them in white color. And they make a good job, as shown in that video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.